Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. Today I'll take a couple of trades. I just started recording and I already took 2 trades on this one. If you look, this is the first, second and third touch breakout and also doji break. I took this trade as a buy, but unfortunately I forgot to push the record button, so we already took 2 trades in this session. And now I'm just going to keep going and take the rest of the trades in the video. I'm going to just look for other opportunities. I literally share every single session of mine. Sometimes these kind of stuff happens. I forget to push record button. And yeah, I'm going to look for the next opportunity. I don't see a lot of good setups in today's market. Alright, we have this order block. Let me just go to the lower time frame to see if I can find the entry. No, we don't have entry for this lower time frame. Alright. We're having a rejection from a very respected support area. This is the very respected support area and it's broken now. This is decision point, and I believe this rejection is coming from a lower time frame entry from this. Yes, that's it. Let me mark it. This is the lower time frame entry, and this is the very respected support, and it's rejecting. Now I'm gonna just go to 1 minute. And I'm going to try to take this doji break, because if we break a doji from upside or downside, we can take the retracement trade. And if we break this from the downside, even though the market's direction is with the sellers, I may take a trade with buyers. Oh shit, what is this? Yeah. Okay, I want to take, let's go. I'm expecting a green candle here. We're closing on the round number 2. Let's see. The movements of the candle is kind of weird. Just jumps ups and downs. And also, this is called evening star pattern, which if it missed, sometimes it gives us retracement before dropping. Let's see how this trade is going to close. Alright, that was a winning trade. Now, I have to just keep looking for other opportunities. We have another doji here, but this is a swing doji. Wait, this looks kind of good. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to take this one. Only one trade. It's a QM trade. And let me mark it. This is my lower time frame entry. And I will show you the higher time frame confirmation and everything. Let's see if we're going to win this. Yeah, for sure. No, that was so close. All right. This is the QM setup. QM setups looks like this. Low, high, lower, low compared to previous low. And then it breaks the swing. Okay. Just like that. Low. Let me zoom in. Low, high, lower, low, and then break the swing. This is the QM zone. After finding the QM zone and drawing it, We have nothing to do with QM zone, with actual QM zone. We have to go to 3-minute time frame, and we see that the QM is happening inside a big engulfing pattern in the 3-minute time frame. And after that, we go to lower time frame, step by step. For example, here in 30-second, we can already see a fresh demand. If we draw the demand area, the market will react from the demand, and then we enter the trade. All right, and then it rejects like that. And in order to take QM trades and trading my strategies in general, you have to put this on 0. The third part of your timer should be on 0, and this should be on +1. That's it. Let me go. Okay, this is another QM. You see that? High, low, high, high, and then break the previous swing. This is the buy setup, but this is not okay. It has engulf, but this has a lot of candle. Okay, let me mark this. This is the entry for this. I'll take this with 350. Okay, let me mark this. That's another QM. QM zone, higher time frame engulf. Yeah. If you look, the entry is outside the engulfing pattern, so this is a high risk trade for me. That's why I'm going with 350 if it enters my zone. The entry should be inside the zone, inside the engulfing pattern. Let me see if we're gonna get the entry for this trade. Come on. Okay, we have a third touch breakout here as well. Potential trade. We have a nice little decision point right down here, so market can keep dropping. Okay, it didn't give me the entry on this candle. We have to wait for the next candle. Come on. Oh, this one didn't break. Okay, I entered right here with 350 because this has high risk. And we got one of these red gems. All right, let me see. This one, I was looking for this breakout, but it didn't happen. So I don't have any opportunity here. I have to keep looking for other trades. We have nice little small decision point right here. See respected resistance and then the breakout. Before the breakout, we have demand area. So if you consider this as an engulf for the QM exactly, if we go to lower time frame, you may find a lower time frame entry like this. This is on 30-second. This trade is about to close. It seems that we're gonna lose this trade. Even if we win this, this is still a high risk trade for me because of the reasons that I explained. Today's internet is so fast, man. Look, this is so fast. Finally, they're fixing their website probably. It is so fast, man. Look. All right. We have this order block down here, and it's a very old order block. It can be inaccurate, but we have lower time frame entry inside of it. So according to risk management, I have to take this one also with a smaller amount. Once the price comes down to my entry, like this is the zone. Oh, this is another decision point. Oh, today's market is finally finally popping up the setups. Let me mark it. Boom, this is the entry for this. There we go. See how beautiful reacted. This is the trade we took. If you look, and this is the QM setup, another QM setup that we talked about and took. This is another QM, 3 minutes engulf. Let's go to lower time frame. Oh, this one doesn't have lower. There's another point that the lower time frame entry should be above the QM zone, above that. So in this case, we have right on the shoulder. You can see that this is right on the shoulder. So this is this would be considered high risk for me. Like, it's reacted, but if I draw the shoulder, okay, let me draw this. This is the QM shoulder, right? And let me check the engulf. Yes, the entry is inside the engulf's body. So this has lower risk compared to previous one, which we took with 350. But yeah, I don't know. If you consider this as above the zone, I say this is right inside the QM shoulder. So I don't know. If this was above the zone, if the entry was like this, it would be a very good trade. But now it's not. We have a doji break here. Huge gap down. Huge gap down. I'm going to take this. No, we missed the chance, man. Holy shit. We missed a very good chance. We missed a very good chance. I took it with 250 because of my late entry. I want to explain why this is a good chance. So basically, you see this doji break, right? And we know that once doji break happens, we can take retracements. In this case, it broke from above. People will sell here, right? Retracement. Oh, my connection stopped again. All right, people would sell here, right? Shit. Come on. Okay. It's back. Now, people would sell here, but the point is we have a huge gap down, and we know that once the candle, instead of opening from here, it jumps down and opens from down here, it's called gap down, and it's in the favor of buyers, and most likely these sellers who sell here will be tricked. And now I know that the buyers are strong here. What I see here is little common point of rejection, right? This is called common point of rejection because we see multiple candles having rejection. If we draw a line right between them, covering most of them, you will see that this would be the best possible entry for us. I would took a double 1,000 trade on this one, but since we were late on this trade, I just took it with 350, right? Yeah, I'm gonna just stop right here. That was a very good session. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, drop a like. And do not forget to join my official Telegram channel. We took so many good trades today. Thank you for watching and peace out.